welcome to my channel. I'm sorry if this audio is a little bit echoey. I am recording in a different room today, but getting into this makeup look, I go into the Colourpop Smoke Show palette and use the shadow called Let's Do It, and I start to create the graphic kind of cut crease winged eyeliner, I don't know what you want to call it, look on my face. I already have my base down. I glued my brows at the tiniest bit so you can see them a little bit there, and then above the cut crease I start to blend that black eyeshadow into a smoky winged eye look. I then get that angle brush and start to create a new bottom lash line like I've done in quite a few of my makeup looks now. I just draw a line that is extended down from my actual lash line, and then I start to blend that black eyeshadow down into it so it just goes nicely into the smoky eye look. Now to create the white cut crease, I use the P. Louise base in the shade 0. To make it that extra bright white, I then go over it with the shadow called Young Love in the Colourpop Smoke Show palette. Now it is time for the liquid eyeliner. I use the Makeup Murder Forensic Eyeliner Pen for this. It is such a brilliant eyeliner. It just glides on so perfectly. I do have a discount code with Makeup Murder if you are interested. It is 10 Brooke Ellis. It will be linked in the description down below, and it will get you 10% off everything on their site. So once I've done that liquid eyeliner, I then start to contour my face using the shadow called Slated in that Smoke Show palette that we have been using. Then on the highlighted points of my face, I go into the Colourpop Glitterily Obsessed Body Glitter in the shade Disco Lady. I apply this on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and just all the highlighted areas of my face. So my cupid's bow, my chin. Now I go back into that P. Louise base in the shade 0 and start to fill in the gap that is in between my bottom lash line and the black eyeshadow. For my lips, I use an eyeliner pencil. This is by MAC and it's in the shade Feline, and I just start to outline them. I then fill them in with the Stargazer cream eyeshadow in the shade Metallic Chrome. I then use the Makeup Murder Eyelash Glue to apply the mirrored pieces onto the highlighted areas of my face. I use this glue because it actually has like a lip gloss or a lipstick applicator. So for things like this, it's perfect because you can get the perfect amount of glue on for the mirrored pieces or for gems and stuff in general. I coated my lashes before applying the Eldora B806 lashes. You know that I already have a discount code for them. It's linked in the description down below if you are interested. I like to wear these on either eyes so they wing out to the outside of your face, or they can wing inside like I've done for this look. A few of you have mentioned that you would like to see how I create the props for my look, so that is exactly what I'm doing in this tutorial. I started with a full face white mask that you can paint, but instead I cutted it to the shape that I wanted it to be, then got these mirrored pieces from Amazon and glued them on with the glue gun. If you do this, please be careful because these are real mirrors, they're glass, so they can cut you. So this is the final look. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I just love how the mirror glistened in the light. It's just so cool. If you liked it like I do, then make sure to press that like button because it really helps me out. And if you would like to see more from me, make sure you press that subscribe button so you do not miss any other videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't seen my last video, I do currently have a giveaway going on my Instagram page. It is at brooke.ellis_. It's linked in the description down below and it's on the screen right now if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!